In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add headers and footers to PDFs using Adobe Acrobat. This is a really handy skill to have, whether you're preparing documents for professional purposes or just want to add a bit of polish to your personal files. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to launch Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Make sure you have it installed, and it's always a good idea to check for updates before starting to ensure everything runs smoothly. Now, once you have Acrobat open, it's time to bring in the PDF file that you want to edit. You can do this by either dragging the file into the program's window or using the Open function to navigate to your file directory and select the specific PDF you want to work on. It's important to double check that you've selected the correct document, as we'll be making modifications to it shortly. Now that your document is open, we're going to focus on accessing the tools you need for this task. At the right-hand side of the Acrobat window, you should see an option called Edit PDF. Click on this to reveal all the editing options available to you. This will open up a new toolbar with many features, but for now, we're going to focus exclusively on adding headers and footers. Within the Edit PDF section, locate the Header and Footer dropdown. Here you'll find various options, but since we're interested in adding new elements, click on the Add button. Doing this will open up a new dialog box where you can start customizing your headers and footers to your liking. In the dialog box, you'll have the chance to enter text that you want to appear in the header or footer. This is a place to add important information like document titles, dates, or author names, anything that could provide context or relevance to the reader. Don't worry if you're unsure about the exact placement, as Acrobat provides previews so you can see where your text will appear on the page. Additionally, you may want to make use of dynamic fields. These are especially useful if you're dealing with longer documents or consistent information that needs to appear throughout the file. Look for options to insert page numbers, the current date, or other variables that can auto-update as needed, ensuring accuracy and consistency in your document. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, the final step is to save your modifications. Hit File and then Save from the top menu to ensure all your changes are stored. This will ensure your newly added headers and footers are permanently part of the PDF, ready for distribution or further use. By following these steps, you'll have successfully added headers and footers to your PDF, making it more professional and easier to navigate. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and stay tuned for more useful tips on using Adobe Acrobat to its fullest potential.